Welcome back, gearheads and off-road enthusiasts. Today we have a really exciting project in store for all of you Lexus GX 460 owners out there. We'll be installing the L2R Molle Panel Attic, a must-have accessory for anyone looking to maximize storage and organization in their vehicle. This sleek and innovative piece of equipment is designed to seamlessly integrate into the rear cargo area of your Lexus GX 460. This system will provide a versatile storage solution for all your camping, fishing, or overland gear. Not only does it look super cool, it's also incredibly practical. Before we get started, make sure you have all the necessary tools handy. Luckily for us, this Molle Panel Attic comes with all the tools we need, so we won't have to go digging around to find any. This kit includes a panel tool, a 10mm wrench, a Phillips head screwdriver, and an Allen key. Guys, you have to trust me on this. This installation is really simple. I mean, first of all, they provided all the tools you need, and I'm sure you could probably get a toddler to do this. So let's get straight into the install. Step 1 is to remove the handles from the passenger side and the driver side. You'll need the panel tool and the 10mm wrench for this. After peeling back the little covers for the 10mm bolts on each side, you just stick the 10mm in there and wrench them out. Doesn't take a whole lot of force, real easy. Hold on to those bolts because you'll end up using them in the next few steps. Step 2. Remove the cover where it shows in the picture. The picture shows that these covers are right below the window. They pop right out. Once you pop these little covers out, from there, you're gonna remove the bolt that's inside of there. After that, you're gonna get you some alcohol wipes or the adhesion promoter that is provided in the kit. Wipe away that area around there. Once you have removed those screws on the passenger side, go back to the driver's side, more towards the rear near the tailgate. There are these little tabs. Rotate these tabs counterclockwise, and behind those tabs are Phillips head screws. Remove those Phillips head screws and then move on to the next step. Then you'll take a spacer, remove the double-sided tape, place it on or right over that hole, and then from there you're going to take the bolt spacer and screw it right in. So looking directly at the diagram, you can see that over here, the short end of this top one may be confusing, but I'm going to show it to you in a second. So the short end has to be closest to the back here. So if your long end is over here, it's wrong. Long end is over there, it's wrong. So the short end is closest to this part, closest to these back here. So this short end, see how that's shorter than this end over here? This is the driver's side. Check out, right? So this top piece is facing more towards that way. You need to lay out your driver part and your passenger side part. Each side has 4 pieces. The pieces that connect to the handle, the piece that covers the window, and then the stabilizer pieces that go towards the rear trunk of the GX 460. You're gonna need to assemble the left and right storage panels with the screws provided. Remember those screws I told you to hold on to? So, following that, here's step 6. Use the screws that you took out, and you're gonna use these screws to basically secure the handle piece, the driver's side handle piece. Be reminded that you can't tighten these screws right away. So put the screws in and only tighten them hand tight. You may need to adjust later on. This is the driver's side panel fully assembled. Just going over it so that you see how it looks before I put it in. So on to step 7. Step 7 is to install the short brackets. So for this step, the diagram actually recommended that I do it differently, but since I'm doing it by myself, I decided that I would take the storage shelf and just bolt 2 holes in at a time on each side. So on the driver and passenger side, I just used 2 bolts to secure it up, and then after that I installed the crossbars. The L2R Molle Panel Attic is officially installed in our Lexus GX 460, ready to take on whatever the great outdoors throws at us. Remember, when it comes to off-road adventures, having a well-organized and accessible storage solution is key to a successful trip. Now stand back and admire your handiwork. You've just upgraded your Lexus GX 460 with a sleek and functional storage solution. Now comes the fun part, organizing and attaching your gear to the Molle Panel Attic. Whether it's carabiners, fire extinguishers, first aid kits, shovels, the possibilities are endless. Let your imagination run wild and personalize your setup to suit your unique needs and preferences. Thanks for tuning in today, guys. And remember, hit that like and subscribe button for more exciting videos like this one. Until next time, stay safe, stay stylish. Flexus Lexus out.